Audio Jungle.
The Ford F-150 Raptor goes under the knife for 2024, joining the normal F-150 with a visual refresh and minor equipment update. It's still using the same bones as the 14th generation F-Series pickup that went on sale in 2021. The Ford F-150 Raptor pumps out so much fun and such oversized thrills, you'd assume that it had been outlawed years ago. Think of it as a full-size F-150 that's been fed nothing but creatine, dumbbells, and gallons of Bang energy drink during development. The Raptor, a 2024 Editor's Choice honoree, muscles out 450 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged V6 bolted to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Raptor R is the bodybuilder in the family, with a more glorious roar from its 720 horsepower supercharged V8. The price of the 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor starts at $80,435 and goes up to $111,550 depending on the trim and options. The Raptor's cabin enjoys the same design layout and passenger space as the regular F-150 Super Crew. The high-performance version comes standard with a 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster and boasts more interior storage space as well as nicer materials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.